If you sell products online, you've probably rushed through product descriptions, either copying the supplier's text or typing high quality and perfect for any occasion just to finish. Neither helps anyone actually buy. AI can write solid descriptions in 2 minutes, but only if you use it right. Most people don't, which is why their output sounds robotic. Product descriptions matter because customers can't touch your product or ask questions. The description does all that work. A good one explains what it is, why it matters to them, and makes buying feel obvious. Most small business descriptions fail at all three. They're either dry spec sheets or so vague they apply to anything. AI, used properly, hits all three when given the right information. Before opening ChatGPT, do one step most people skip. Write down your product details first. Not in the AI tool, just for yourself. Exactly what is it? What are the specs? Who buys it? What problem does it solve? What makes it different from Amazon? What words should never describe your brand? Luxurious or artisanal might fit some brands and completely miss others. More context up front means less editing after. The prompt determines everything. Instead of write a product description for my soap, try this. State what the product is. Paste those details, specify length and tone, warm, direct, playful, professional. Describe your customer. Say to lead with benefits, not features, and list words to avoid. This 90-second prompt gets 5 times better output. Real example, for Austin-made goat milk lavender soap, your prompt might say, write a 75-word description for our goat milk lavender bar soap. Handmade in small batches with locally sourced goat milk. Gentle for sensitive skin, $9. Target customer, woman 30 to 50 who buys intentional gifts and cares about ingredients. Tone, warm and straightforward. Lead with how it feels. Avoid luxurious and artisanal. That's a real prompt that gets a real draft. ChatGPT's free version works well. Paste your prompt, get a draft, refine in the same conversation. The catch, it won't remember your brand voice between sessions without custom instructions set up. Shopify Magic is built into the product editor but tends toward flat output. Jasper, $49 per month, saves your voice automatically. But for smaller catalogs, ChatGPT usually delivers enough quality without the cost. Once you have a draft, edit it. AI provides a starting point. Your job is making it sound like your store. Rewrite first sentences that start with product names. Start with a feeling instead. Read aloud. If you wouldn't say it in person, change it. Check every fact. AI invents specs sometimes. Make the ending feel natural, not pushy. The honest limitation, AI is only as good as your product and the information you provide. It can't invent reasons to buy something with no real differentiation. Skip the details step and you'll edit more than you would have writing from scratch. But for most small business owners with real products, this workflow transforms the process from staring at a blank field typing high quality to a 2-minute process that actually sounds like you.